What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to please request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Check out all the content, let me know what you think. There's also a Discord link that will be below. Check that out. You know, bell icon, all the usual stuff that I request on every single video. Also check out all the other videos, you might like some of the content there. And yeah, let's just get into this one quickly. I just have to say, I love this box. It's so refreshing to see a box that is different to the standard red and white Nike sportswear box. I like the color, and I actually think that Nike should, you know, this is like running shoes or whatever, so it does say it on the side, Nike Run Utility. I think this color should be for, you know, the running, like a red color for the sportswear, same design, brown for everything else. Like, I think that will, you know, that's a good idea to me, to be honest. Nike, if you're listening, again, you've listened to some previous requests I've had, please follow through and listen to this request also. Let's just have a look at the box. So it's got plenty of information on there. So Nike swoosh, normally this information is on the bottom, but today it's on the top, so I like it, it's a bit different. Dotted, a massive swoosh, and then here, look how just clean that looks. So it's Just Do It, which everyone knows what Just Do It is. Nike Run Utility. We'll go on the back as well, same thing, very fresh. I love this design. And then it's got some information there. So Nike Run Utility products are designed in Beaverton, Oregon, USA, and tested with runners around the world. Little information. On the bottom, look at that. In case of emergency, run. Intended for outdoor use only. That is proper. You see, look, it just looks, you know, clean. And then we've got the sticker, the label. So it says Air Zoom Pegasus 39 Shield. The colorway on this pair is black off noir, which is black, triple black. US size 10.5, UK 9.5, centimeters 28.5, BR 42.5, and Euro 44.5. Style code on this is D. Is that O or 0? I'm going to say O. 7625001, and they are made in China. Lovely box, I have to say, man. I love the box. Standard tissue paper. And a triple black. Look at that, man. What a lovely pair. I have to say, I love this pair. Like, it's such a nice pair. Lightweight. Very, very light. The only next thing I have to do is start running outdoors. So I've got the shoes. I need to start running outdoors now, man. But we'll just go through it and look at the details. So that's the wet traction rubber storm thread, and that reddish triangle, and then obviously the grip. It's got a bit of grip on there for outdoor use. Straight off the bat, I don't know why, I just love that red triangle. It just looks good, even though it's the sole, no one really sees it, but I really like it. They've got a swoosh in there, and then the rest is all black. Midsole, again, it's got, you know, patterns, stuff, shock absorbing and that, science. So all black midsole. And then we've got the upper. It's like a non-stitch tape material there. So the tape material is always used to keep shoes lightweight. So it's got the tape there with some weather logos, so rain, cloud, sun, thunder, meaning use them whenever. Another tape swoosh, which is a partial swoosh, and then it's got a swoosh underneath, which I like. You know, it's quite different. standard swooshes or full swoosh. This is kind of like double swoosh, but 1.5 swooshes. Then we've got more tape on the bottom. Tape again, no sewing around the toe box. On the laces as well, that same tape, no sew. And then we've got like a kind of a rubber type material. I don't want to say rubber and get it wrong. I really need to research materials beforehand. And then again, this is like a plasticky material, if you can see. That's stiff. And then we've got like a cushion. So that's like a neoprene with, a few dots and stuff. And then again, we've got that swoosh, but this one's a bit more visible than the other one. You can see that much more. So I do understand why they said off noir, because they do use grey all over the shoe. I get that. Makes sense. But yeah, no, these are very comfortable. I do like these. The insole comes straight out. Usually we see blue at the bottom. This is green. It's got that little spongy at the bottom. And then, yeah, Nike Shield on the... It won't come off nicely, so I'll just leave it. Nike Shield, even clean underneath, very clean, I have to say, with the stitching. That's probably one of the neatest pairs I've ever seen. No extra threads apart from one. And also the inside is proper different shaped. It feels weird. It almost feels like there isn't any in there, but it's perfectly made to keep them in shape. So I do recommend, if you have these or you're gonna buy them, just stick this back in after. Literally, I'm just dropping everything everywhere. Literally, once you're done using them, just stick it back in, push it right to the end, and it'll keep the shape for your trainers. So, because look, it's pretty soft without it. Stick that in to keep the shape. Proper shoe shaper. But yeah, that's literally all I've got to say about these. I really do like them. Probably just gonna wear them around anyway because they're comfortable and just to do errands and stuff or whatever. I say that about a lot of shoes, man. My errands collection is amazing. But yeah, they look good with sportswear and stuff like that. So a decent fitted tracksuit, whatever. They are intended for outdoor use only. So I could potentially wear them inside, like to the gym or whatever. But I'm not sure if I'd run in them. I don't know. We'll see. Well, that's all from me for today. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you check out the Discord, TikTok as well. TikTok, Discord, all that stuff. Let me know what you think of the content. Click that bell icon, and most importantly, take care, my people.